very difficult to find shoes that size, I can tell you.
Today's been about getting all families together and out in the woodland, enjoying the sunshine and getting hands-on with nature. So we've got all the activities, so they've been getting in with all the crafts and arty things, so they've been enjoying dressing up as elves, recapturing that imagination and enjoying being in the woodland.
Mental health problems such as depression and anxiety can leave a young person feeling alone, stressed and isolated. But one amazing place that can help to conquer this is the woods. Being with others in the woods can create feelings of happiness, security and togetherness. It's a place where you can be free from your problems and difficulties. It's being in the here and now and taking in what nature has to offer. By giving a young person a feeling of togetherness, it can help them deal with feelings of isolation which can be significant in aiding a person's recovery.
I'm crazy, I'm more than you made me. What horses can keep me from partially pretending we'll jump soon, but till then we'll drink till the morning.
What do you think is important about getting people out into the countryside?
It's a knowledge and understanding of the nature and of the countryside. It's a very good experience as well.
The main thing is actually getting these guys out away from the stress of city life, getting them out into the open air, getting them mixing between interfaith groups, so it's actually getting the Muslim community, the Sikh community to come out, reminiscing what they left behind in India, Pakistan, Kashmir, and it's good for the health as well, actually getting them walking as well. It's actually encouraging walking, encouraging them to coming out into, and seeing a different side of Britain.
I've engaged in framework with Gateway to Nature, that's changed my life quite considerably for the better.
After going to various agencies, and they referred me and said, to get out and see nature, that sort of.
It's helped me a lot, hell of a lot. With me being alcoholic, recovering alcoholic I should say, it gets me out, takes me to different places I didn't know existed, like you said, and I love that. I love being out.
This film focuses on the Nepalese community who were invited to pit down to meet their local rangers, navigate their way to the site using maps, take part in some conservation work and build a campfire together.
This was an event which really tried to introduce them to the project. It was their first time coming out, so we wanted to give them an idea of really what the local countryside has to offer for them in their area.
This sort of project gives people like me an opportunity to come and go back to nature. Simple things like cutting down a tree and collecting those twigs and making fire, it makes you creative, so I think it's very good for young people like me and my friends around here. It gives us a chance to set off our stress and and make us happy.
boat again. It was just great, really, really great. Loads of environment, crafts, arts, views, countryside, all mixed in. Really great day, and it was great that it was free as well. So thank you.
It gives me something to look forward to. It gives me something to write in my diary, otherwise it remains empty.
My life, more or less. Give me something to do. And I tend to do for like 4 years. So they get on my life, haven't
Well, definitely more confident, and maybe I want to come in front of the camera.
With all of life's hardship and pain, when the light of hope is so hard to see, I wander along to this place and thank for this quaint sanctuary.